is Veer and welcome to my channel Dynamic Veer. So I thought in the recent series I made a video on Google Classroom part 1 and part 2. Both of them will be linked in the description box below. So more Google apps. This is like there are many apps: Google Drive, Meet, Form, Documents, Spreadsheet, Slides. Actually there are like so many. I thought I would like show you how to use Google Meet, and Google Meet and Google Classroom meet together pretty perfectly. So let's start. This is Google Meet, which helps many people connect together. On the normal Gmail version, 100 people can join together, and on the G Suite side there would be like 250 people. So let me show you guys how to use Google Meet. This is the PPT itself is made in Google Slides, so this is pretty cool. So let's start with the options which we get in 2020. We are at 7th August today, so we can click on new meeting. There are three options: get a meeting link to share, start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Calendar. Google Calendar, like full explanation will be given in another video. So let's start. Let's say you want to share it to everyone one day prior or one day earlier, whatever you want to say. So then you can just like copy and like send it. If you use WhatsApp web, you can send it to anyone. You can send it to WhatsApp, Gmail, email, whatever you call. There are like millions of options just for sharing. So that is one way, and there's one way like start an instant meeting here. So as you can see, it is instantly creating a meeting. So I can start copy joining info, add people, really so many options just. So here, as you can see, my mic is on unmute even on Google Meet. So let me just show the captions feature, which is unbelievable. See here. As you can see, like even if someone's they can't hear the audio, it would be better for them to turn on captions. So let me turn it off right now. So this is like settings. In that you can set your default microphone and whatever. You can test the speaker of your laptop or mobile phone and check the camera, then the standard definition. So if you have like high internet connection, you can do that, and you can just, there are many options here. You can chat, so you can ask them questions like what is 1 plus 5, and they can give queries. Here there are the meeting details. If in case you want to copy them and paste them, you can add attachments. So here you can add attachments to Google Calendar. I will be showing them how to do it. So here these are many options. This is the chain layout. It is added recently, so this is a really unbelievable feature. Sidebar, spotlight people, title people, these are like so many. And on you can even install the Google Meet grid view extension. I will be linking them in the description box, so you can download that. And how to use Google Meet links also I will be sending in the description box below. There are many of these features. Now let's see. So myself, I really like, so you can even rejoin the meeting which you have already stopped. Enjoy now again. Let's just present. So you can just like present even a particular Chrome tab, or you can present the entire screen. Yeah, and then everyone can see what you are showing. So these are like really good, safe video conferencing apps, which is one of them is Google Meet. Of course, Google is a really good company. So there, let me just, now I will go to the home screen, so I can just let me just stop the meeting right there. You can even remove people, then mute them. There are many more options here. Let me just go to meet.google.com. right now I got it directly here, or you can just type the whole thing. So here you can schedule in Google Calendar. This is like unbelievable. It's like scheduling it before days. Right now it's 7th August, but I can like set it to something else. I can add guests and then they can just directly join by clicking it. So here we can directly link it www.youtube.com for example, and then you can like add some files if you want. I don't want to add right now. Then you can name the meeting. And then you can just click on save, and then it would be better to join the meeting first. So like that you can join. Yeah, so here there's one more thing, that if you get these long links on your WhatsApp or phone and you don't want to like write the whole thing, and see here, as I did it in Google Calendar, it is showing Dynamic Weed as the nickname of the meeting. So yeah, I was talking about that this you can schedule, add extensions, like attachments. Here this I had inserted a link in the Google Calendar, so I can just directly click it. So it could be a link to a project file or a website or something like that, and you can even upload files here on Google Drive or from your local storage and that. So I was telling that many times you will get like the whole link and you don't want to type it whole. So what you can do is, you can see here any link of Google Meet will consist of meet.google.com. I'm talking about the normal link, not the stream of Google Meet. So here, as you can see this part, MOXEJVB, so I can't say that whole thing, but this thing is the most important part. This is the meeting code. As you can see here, it will tell that enter a code or link, and then whatever you have scheduled from the Google Calendar, it will show up here that you have to join the meeting. So here I can just copy the code or like type it here, MOX blah blah blah, that. So that, and you can click on join, or you can just copy the whole link and click it there. See here, I'm joining from my own account on the same device. You can connect from multiple devices also, but it is better for now. Hey, hi, Veer. Yeah, as you can see the voices, right? Mute myself. For example, that guy, your student is on unmute. You can mute him. So So as you can see, the disturbance is gone. Only the student can unmute themselves. No one else can unmute. And you can even remove people. Like if I want to remove my own self, actually this is like my own self only. See here, someone has removed you from the meeting. Like that you can remove people from the meeting. So this is a really unbelievable thing that Google has done. A really important collaborative tool. Here that's still showing. So here there are many tools, and the link of building a Google account will also be there. So you can just click on that link and make a whole Google account. So guys, I hope you like this video. Namaste, stay home, stay safe, and like my video. If you liked my video, share it so that other people can also get the knowledge of how to use this amazing app. And there are more videos coming soon, so please don't forget to share it. Subscribe to my channel, and please let's reach 150 subscribers by this year end. So we have already reached 130 subscribers. Thank you all for helping, and we are now a 130 subscriber family. So I hope you like my series, and if you like, then you can even comment that which video I will make I can make next on electronics or Google, and you can give me recommendations. I will try. And if you have any doubts on my electronic projects, you can even comment there. So thank you guys for your support, and I really liked it. Namaste. Jai Hind. Thank you.